Ito yung number one reason kung bakit nahihirapan yung mga Filipino na magpataas ng sahod as a work from home employee or as a remote worker. The truth is, karamihan sa inyo, you don't know how to negotiate yung rate. In fact, hindi nga alam na pwede palang i-negotiate yung rate. Here's the thing. So what do you mean by negotiating? Madalas sanay tayo yung nakapublish na yung rates. So everyone na ito ay $5, $10 per hour, 35,000 per month, 40,000 per month. In most cases, these are range. Madalas may accepted sa market na range sa specific na skill or sa specific na service na kaya mo i-provide. Most people, kapag nakita na yung rate, okay, yun yung gusto ko. Then, apply na yung work na yun. How about is the other way around? Kung kaya mo i-command yung rate mo, na ikaw magsasabi dun sa iyong client or employer kung magkano yung gusto mong rate. If you don't know, that's actually possible and that is actually a common practice. Another skill that you have to develop. It's something that you have to learn, to understand, to repeat over and over again. In fact, to practice how to deliver that para talagang maging convincing yung hinihimong rate. Kasi in the end, kapag hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo, no one believe you na yun yung rate mo. How you carry yourself, the messaging. So, I'll be honest, is hindi siya madali. Kaya madaming tao yung takot. Or worse, don't even know how to say that. That's something I think I was able to develop throughout the years. And something I can teach other people. That's something that you're interested on learning. And definitely, that's included sa mga workshop na ginagawa namin. So, if you're that person na you don't know or you're not confident in negotiating, then we can definitely help. Make sure to reach out to me on LinkedIn kasi dun ko sa inyo tuturo lahat itong bagay na ito about work from home and getting a high-paying remote work. Help build this community and let make it stronger for all of us Filipinos. Make sure makuha natin yung worth natin. Alright? So, I hope that helps and see you on the next one.